Hi everyone, it's Naya. I am going to show you how to make one of those circle lights that help illuminate yourself and your products better when you're filming. So what I have here is a wire wreath form. I got that from Walmart for a little under $3. I have zip ties that I got from the Dollar Tree, $1, a pencil, scissors. I have rope, LED rope light, and it's daylight, and I have aluminum and poster board. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make an outline of the circle on your poster board. So I'm going to take my pencil, I'm going to do around the outside, and then I'm going to do the inside, and then I will cut it. So outside, and then inside. So you can kind of see it. It's a little light, a little faint, but that's okay. I'm just going to take it and cut around. So that was the outside, and now you just want to kind of put a little piece so you can get inside. So what helps me is just kind of cutting that inside so I can connect that and at least get the circle started. Make it a little bit easier. Alright, so now I have that done. Now you see the circle. So now I'm going to take the aluminum, and you can get this at the Dollar Tree or you can get it at Walmart or wherever you would like. I'm going to take little strips of it, tear it off, and this is to help with the reflection on you. And shiny side, what you want. And then you're going to wrap it. And one of the ways you can do to make it a little bit easier. I'm going to take that and then just start wrapping it around. And then there we go. So that part is done. Put it to the side. Now we have the wreath and the LED light. I use the rope. Some people use strip. This one came with the extension cord already there to attach, which is nice. And I could attach more if I would like. These are some extra parts that came with it. Again, I got this from Walmart, $12.88 at my Walmart. And it's nice because you can kind of wrap it and see where you would like it to go. Let me see. Let me go from this side. Let me take this and kind of move it out the way. So I can start from the outside and just kind of wrap it and then bring it in. So you can kind of place it to see how you would like it to go. And then use the zip ties to put it in place. And you can always do more or less. It doesn't matter. But I think I'm just going to lay it down initially with the zip ties. So these it's different sizes for the zip ties. It doesn't have to be anything super long. These are different colors. I recommend, this is what I had here, but you probably want to get white, but I'm going to use my black zip ties. And then just start, like I said, on the outside, and then I will work my way in. So I'll take it and try maybe at every 12, 3, 6, 9. Like on a clock. And check the stability of it. See if that's like a good location. And I'm going to take it around. And then I'm using the rope. LED rope light. And wrap it around these two and then those two and then test it, see if I like it. And then this piece I can take off. It's talking about the risk, and it's telling you only to use basically, they have stuff to prevent shock. Makes sense. I'm going to do one right here, and then I'm going to finish it off somewhere up here. So 2 more. Let me see. I feel like maybe right here. Then I'm going to finish it off right up there. Okay, so everything is pretty secure. This one seems like it came off some. So let me do one more. And put it right over here to better secure it. Okay, that seems like everything's pretty decent. You could always go back and add more I'm just going to start cutting some of these off. Like I said, I could go back and add more. White would probably be ideal, but this is what I had here on hand. And so now, I think I might want to do one more over here. Don't like how that looks. Want to make it a little bit more stable. So let's go ahead and add one. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. And now we need a zip tie, our reflector right here. So let me see if I have my longer one so I can get that one in here. Let me see, that might not make it around. This is where the 11-inch one will work a lot better. So I will definitely go back and get that 11-inch one so it works better, but I can at least let you guys see how it's going to look once it's connected. So we have that here. Give me a second. I went back and added the 4 red zip ties to secure the wire wreath.